A very good day to everybody present here. I welcome you all for the virtual MoU signing ceremony between the two institutions, Wollo University, Compulsory Institute of Technology, Ethiopia, and St.Mother Theresa Engineering College, Thuthukudi, India. It is 22 degrees Celsius, experiencing a sunny climate at Dese, Ethiopia, and 29 degrees Celsius, experiencing partly cloudy climate at Thuthukudi, India. Ethiopia-India relations have existed for almost 2 millennia, and modern diplomatic relations between India and Ethiopia were established at the level of legations in July 1948 after Indian independence. The relationship was raised to the ambassadorial level in 1952. India maintains an embassy at Addis Ababa and Ethiopia in New Delhi. The two countries have enjoyed close and friendly relations with India, supporting Ethiopian development efforts, while Ethiopia has supported Indian interests, such as its claim to a permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council. India and Ethiopia share a common understanding on such issues such as cross-border international relationship, the need and direction for reform of the United Nations, and the importance of action on climate change. Both Wollo University Ethiopia and St.Mother Theresa Engineering College India share a common vision, which is to become an university of excellence in outstanding quality education, research, technology transfer, and community development services by 2025. I believe Dr. Atsede Tefera, President, Wollo University, Ethiopia, always wanted to provide quality higher education at all levels through regular, extension, distance, and continuing education modes so as to produce competent professionals who can support the development endeavor of the country. We welcome you, Doctor. I believe Dr. Melaku Tamane, Scientific Director, KIOT, rank of Vice President, Wollo University, Ethiopia, always wish to produce competent entrepreneurs who could contribute to the technology transfer endeavors of the country. We welcome you, Doctor. I fervently believe Dr. Habtamu Mohammed, Deputy Scientific Director, KIOT, Wollo University, Ethiopia, was always inspired to undertake researches that help to solve the social economic problems of the country and that can also add new values and knowledge to the society. We welcome you, Doctor. I wholeheartedly believe Mr. Lami Emmanuel, Assistant Professor, TVET, Industry Linkage Director, Wollo University, KIOT, Ethiopia, wishes to accomplish consultancy and short-term training services to businesses, government, and non-governmental organizations to help them accomplish their objectives. We welcome you, sir. I wholeheartedly believe the motive of Dr. Prabhakar Segar, MoU Facilitator, Wollo University, KIOT, Ethiopia, was to render various community services to fulfill social responsibilities expected of it as an academic institution. We welcome you, sir. It is Dr. S. Kiltas Babu, Chairman, SCAD Group of Institutions India, who always wanted to create innovative and vibrant young leaders and entrepreneurs in engineering and technology for building India as a super knowledge power and blossom into a university of excellence recognized globally. We welcome you, Doctor, in his absentia. ERC Arun Babu, Managing Director, SCAD Group of Institutions India, always aimed at continuous pursuit for excellence through quality education tapped from national and international resources. We welcome you, sir. Through his practices, Dr. K. Jayakumar, General Manager Development, SCAD Group of Institutions India, always focused on modular approach to channelize knowledge and program evaluation of knowledge accumulated. We welcome you, sir. Professor A. George Klington, Professor Planning and Development, Student Affairs, St.Mother Theresa Engineering College, India, is keenly interested in continuous, reviewable and renewable of quality systems leading to quality output. He is focused in producing engineer with string ethical and moral background. We welcome you, sir. At this juncture, both the institutions have rightfully understood the need to collaborate for a very healthy technical relationship so as to foster practices that enable further cooperation through various technical practices. And my heartfelt sense of gratitude to the dignitaries of Wollo University, Kombolcha Institute of Technology, Ethiopia, who accepted the offer at the right time to collaborate with our institution, St. Mother Theresa Engineering College, India, situated in the rural area, yet with a strong motive uplift technical collaboration to a new height amidst COVID-19 lockdown in education sectors. Now, I welcome Mr. Lamy Emmanuel, Assistant Professor, TVET, Industry Linkage Director, Wollo University, KIOT, Ethiopia, to utter a few words about institution and the need for this MOU. If Lamy Emmanuel is not available, I request Dr.Wubished Degife, who is the in charge of Wollo University, to utter a few words about the institution and the need for this MOU. Over to you, Wubished Degife.
Okay, can you hear me? Okay, this is Wubished Degife. I'm a lecturer and a researcher at Mechanical Engineering Department. To introduce about me, so the institute actually is a technology institute which we're going to sign MOU with you. And Wollo University is one of the governmental universities of the country in Ethiopia. And it has two big campuses. The first campus is in Dese, the main campus. That is more of a business and health campus. And the other one is in Kombolcha, which is the industry city among the country. And so many industries are there. So the technology campus existing in Kombolcha. This technology campus have two colleges, actually, the informatics college and engineering college. Under engineering college, there are different types of engineering fields are already given. And in the informatics college, also the same, we are providing different courses actually for students with undergraduate and postgraduate. So actually, we want to make a collaboration with you because we want to develop our institute and we want to work with the collaborative research, and plus we want to work with above research student exchange and collaborative research workers to have a better output and to have a better impact to the community and to the global world. So I just want to give you some information about mechanical engineering department, which I'm working there. Actually, being as a member of mechanical engineering department, I will tell you some basic information about my department. In my department, there are about 4 undergraduate courses: design engineering, thermal engineering, automotive engineering, and manufacturing engineering. And there are 3 postgraduate courses we are offering now: production engineering, thermal engineering, automotive engineering. And we have about 4 laboratories in mechanical engineering. These laboratories are automobile laboratory, machine shop laboratory, mechanical vibration laboratory, and material testing laboratory. These are the areas in my department which we are working very good. So the main target of this collaboration, as I told you previously, is to have best collaborative research so that there will be a knowledge sharing and working together between the two institutes to impact the global as well as our countries and to help the community around us. So we will share knowledge, we will work on the publications, we will work on the research workers. So these are the main focus areas of our MOU. So maybe Dr. Prabhakar can add on this. I invite Dr. Prabhakar to add more on this one. Dr. Prabhakar?
Yeah, Thank you, Bishop. This is Dr. Prabhakar from Wollo Institute Mechanical Department. Actually, me and Christo, we initiated the MoU between the colleges. I am working here for more than 3 years, and I know about both the colleges. Here, University is one of the best colleges in Ethiopia, and we have departments which is not available in any part of the Ethiopia, like automotive engineering, industrial, manufacturing. We are having MoUs many colleges here. MoUs industries here, but this is a firm trying to have with outside Ethiopia, and this is the 5th college we are having MoU internationally. The aim of this MoU should not be in place. It should be fruitful to the students, for faculty. So we are expecting from St.Mother College to have student exchange, faculty exchange, and this collaborations, and this laboratory collaborations, conferences, symposium should be like a collaborative one. It should be a full one for all of us. That is our main aim for having this MoU. And thank meeting me for the Google Meet. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Wubished Degife, for your valuable words about the need for this MoU and uttering a few words about your institution, your research motive, and the need for collaboration in this pandemic lockdown.
Yeah, you can.
Now I welcome Professor A. George Klington, Professor Planning and Development, Student Affairs, St. Mother Theresa Engineering College, India, to speak few words about the institution. Over to you, Professor George Klington.
Good afternoon, Christo, Dr. Christo, and Prabhakar sir. Hope you know Tamil.
Yeah, Tamil.
Yeah, okay, very good. Actually, it's my great pleasure to meet you people, right? I got a chance to stay in Ethiopia for 3 days as a transit passenger in the year of 2010, 10 years back.
Okay.
Right, so I have tasted the, what the taste of Ethiopia and the climate, the chill climate, and the production of leathers, and the massages and everything. So as a transit passenger, actually I was in a way to Egypt for a visit. So I stayed in Ethiopia, Addis Ababa for 3 days. So it is a nice time for me, and it is nice time for me now to meet you people. Actually, St.Mother Theresa Engineering College is a unit of SCAD group of institutions that we are having 19 institutions, out of which 4 are the engineering colleges.
Okay.
And the 2 colleges are affiliated with NAC and NBA, and the minimum eligibility years for applying for the NBA or NAC is 10 years. So we have just crossed 10 years now. So next year we have decided to go for NAC accreditation for our institutions, and we are having 5 different courses: civil, computer, electrical, electronics, and mechanical. And as you said, it is very pleasant time for me to see you. You are coming from the both of you are coming from mechanical department. We have a very good mechanical department here, and very good efficient staff members and very good laboratory infrastructure. So to say something about nutshell about our college, in this pandemic from March 16 to today, that is roughly around 8 months, we have published 8 patents, 2 international patents and 3 international patents, and more than 41 Scopus Index journals we have published. We have got a dedicated entrepreneurship development cell. We have got an active placement cell. In the recent years, we have produced roughly around 85 to 95% of placement in reputed companies. And some of the students are placed in Infosys, Wipro, Sincel, some kind of tier 1 level companies. And here also we are having one industry institution interaction unit. I hope such kind of MOUs will be so much helpful for us in the future. In another words, we can say we have more than 1,000 students here in our college and 80 staff members. In this area, in this southern part of India, we are a very good group of institutions. We are having 4 engineering colleges, as I said. We have got very good school, very good faculty. So I hope this kind of interaction or this kind of memorandum of understanding will be much helpful for us for the transfer of technology. So thank you so much, Dr. Christo Ananth, for arranging such kind of event now. And I have searched, I googled about this university, and it has got very good reputation in Ethiopia. So all the very best for all of you. Mr. Prabhakar, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
For the association with us. And Mr. Christo, it's you now. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir, for a very short introduction about the institution and the nutshell about the collaboration. Now, the objectives of the MoU. This is Dr. Christo Ananth for you, who is going to discuss about the objectives of the MoU. This MoU is a plan to promote and enhance academic interest between St.Mother Engineering College, Vagaikulam, Thuthukudi, India, and Wollo University, Kombolcha Institute of Technology, KIOT, Ethiopia, to encourage talented local students of St.Mother Engineering College to come to work in your esteemed organization at the right time and facilitate technical activities through online mode, to provide space or training activities between each other and the technical areas of collaboration. We have a continuing quality improvement program to improve quality of teaching staff at St.Mother Engineering College through short-term, long-term training for development of tailored candidates for your future projects. Providing academic interaction by delivering special lectures at St.Mother Engineering College on topics relevant to modern industry. To provide training program for third-year students or the pre-final years of St.Mother Engineering College, to facilitate the training for our professors. And finally, guidance for enhancement in infrastructural development of St.Mother Engineering College. Speaking about the proposed modes of collaboration, St.Mother Engineering College and Wollo University, Kombolcha Institute of Technology, Ethiopia, propose to collaborate through the following: cooperation and promotion of education and training in areas of mutual interest, any other appropriate modes of interaction agreed upon between St.Mother Engineering College and Wollo University, Kombolcha Institute of Technology, KIOT, Ethiopia. A specific plan will be worked out by the institutes depending upon availability of resources. A specific agreement will be entered into for each activity. Now I request Professor Wubished Degife, Wollo University, KIOT, Ethiopia, and Professor George Klington, Professor Planning and Development, Student Affairs, St.Mother Engineering College, India, to show the signed MoU in front of the screen for confirming the virtual memorandum of understanding between two institutions.
Sorry. Sorry, actually, internet is not working. So you can the MoU so that we will sign MoU and we will. Now you can from side you can see MoU because me internet is not working, sir.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
This is the MoU, and these are the signed by both the university representatives.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, sir.
Is it enough, or do you have to read it? Yeah.
Yeah, this is sir.
Mentioned earlier, it is not just virtual signing of MoU, but we are going to plan for the extension activities, may it be short-term training programs, long-term training programs, faculty development programs, workshops, seminars, webinars, and maybe in-plan training, Indo-Ethiopian symposiums, or maybe Indo-Ethiopian conference as well. We will be planning in a very near future. So stay tuned for further updates.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all the faculty members from Mother Teresa and Professor Christo Ananth for your initiative. Thank you so much.
I just want to say thank you very much.
Special thanks to Ananth for initiating from Mother Teresa College. Thanks a lot, Christo. Thanks a lot, Doctor. Can you want to tell anything?
Sorry?
Can you want to tell anything?
Okay, I just want to say thank you because, this time there was very urgent meeting from government officials. That's why our officials cannot be on this meeting. But me and Dr. Prabhakar already were here. Actually, we are also called for the meeting, but we cannot attend that because you are here. So we just want to say sorry for them not joining the meeting, and we are very happy because you understand all the situations, and we have gone through the signing process. Anyhow, I just want to say thank you and so many respects for your institution and for you guys. Thank you very much.
And once again, thank you, my dear respected dignitaries. It has been a wonderful time meeting you all, and I thank God, first of all, for letting such beautiful things to happen. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, one and all, for your participation.